Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please leave a like. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of viewing your old call history on iOS. The call history feature allows you to access a log of your past incoming, outgoing, and missed calls. This can be useful for keeping track of important conversations or retrieving contact information. Let's get started. Note, old call history is limited to 100 call history only. We have two options here. First one is open your phone app by tapping it. Then go to the recents. At the top center of your screen, you can see all and missed. Now, to see your old call history, tap all. If you scroll down, you can see your old call history here, but it is only limited to 100 calls. Now we need to go back to our home screen to do the second option. Then we need to find the FaceTime. You can also see your call history here. Congratulations! You have now learned how to view your old call history on iOS. By following these simple steps, you can easily access and review your past incoming, outgoing, and missed calls. Whether you need to recall contact details or track important conversations, the call history feature on your iOS device provides a convenient way to do so. Thank you for watching!